So, how did it go with Richard? Did you break his heart?
You think he ought to give me back the Aquitaine?
I can't think why he shouldn't. After all, I've promised him the throne.
The boy keeps wondering if your promises are any good.
There's no sense wondering if the air is good when there's nothing else to breathe.
Exactly what I told him.
Well, have you got it? Will he give it back?
No Aquitaine for John.
I've got to give him something. Isn't some agreement possible?
Love, in a world where carpenters get resurrected, anything is possible.
You bore him, damn it. He's your son.
Oh, heavens, yes. 280 days I bore him. I recall it all. You'd only just found Rosamond.
Why her so damn particularly? I've found other women.
Countless others.
Oh, and what's your count? Let's have a tally of how many bedspreads you've spread out on.
Thomas Beckett's.
That's a lie.
I know it. You still care what I do.
I want the Aquitaine for John, and I will have it.
Is that menace you're conveying? Am I to be tortured? Will you boil me or stretch me, which? Or am I to be perforated?
I have the documents, and you will sign.
How can you force me to? Threats? Sign or I refuse to feed your tears. Oh, sign before my heart goes crack. Bribes, offers, deals. I'm like the earth, old man. There isn't any way around me.
I adore you.
Save your aching arches. That road's closed.
I have an offer for you, ma jolie.
A deal, a deal. I give the richest province in the continent to John. For what? You tell me, mastermind. For what?
Your freedom.
Oh.
Once Johnny has the Aquitaine, you're free. I'll let you out. Think. On the loose in London, winters in Provence, impromptu trips to visit Richard, anywhere that he's killing people. All that for a signature.
You're good.
I thought that would appeal to you. You've always fancied traveling.
Yes, I did. I even made poor Louis take me on crusade. How's that for blasphemy? I dressed my maids as Amazons and rode bare-breasted halfway to Damascus. Louis had a seizure and I damn near died of sun poisoning, but the troops were dazzled. Henry, I'm against a wall. To be a prisoner, to be bricked in when you've known the world, I'll never know how I survived. These 10 years, Henry, have been unimaginable. And now you offer me the only thing I want if I give up the only thing I treasure.
Sign them, and we'll break the happy news. The Queen is free. John gets the Aquitaine, and Richard marries Elise.
Yes. Let's have it done. I'll sign. On one condition.
Name it.
Have the wedding now. Why? You're surprised. Surely this isn't sudden. They've been going down that aisle for 16 years, and that's a long walk. John can be the best man. That's a laugh. And you can give away the bride. I'd love to watch you do it.
A laze. I can live without her.
And I thought you loved her.
So I do.
Oh, thank God. You frightened me. I was afraid this wasn't going to hurt. I wonder. Do you ever wonder if I slept with Jeffrey?
With my father?
It isn't true, but one hears rumors. Don't you ever wonder?
Is it rich despising me? Is it rewarding?
How? It's what I live for.
Rosamond, I loved you! I'll show you, by Christ I will. I'll do it. Where's a priest? Somebody dig me up a priest!